Here we come to the elevator at the music center of the University of Arizona. This is a very large elevator. It's like a department store. Alright, and it's here. Yeah, this is vintage. We got a mod on it, but it appears to be mostly original. JL interlock. Let's go up to 2. And the door closes when you push the button. This appears to have been modernized in the 80s. But this thing is very vintage.
Yeah. Also is it
8,000 pound capacity on this one. Let's go back down to, let's go to basement. The door closes when you push the button. I have a feeling this might be on its original controller.
Yeah, probably shocking buttons and stuff.
Yeah, it seems like it was installed in the, it seems like it still has its original 50s controller. If this is the original elevator. And yeah, and here we come down to B. Oh, it's someone pushed 2 on it. Yeah, this is vintage. Someone pushed 2 on it. Do you want to go back up to 2, or do you want to?
1. Come on in there.
Door closes when you push the button. Let's go to our cab view. This is very vintage. There we go. And here we come down to 1. But oh, maybe it's just a glitch of some sort. I think it's a glitch.
Interesting.
And we'll see if it goes anywhere. I think it's going up to 2. There it goes. And that's it.